River State no be Igbo. But when River State one pikin, you go name am Chukwuemeka, you go make am Chukwuemeka. You go name am Chukwuzo, you go name am Malele. Ikwerre man o, Ikwerre man. You go pikin, you go call am Chioma, you go call am Chioma, you go call am Chinyere, you go call am Chidimma, you go call am William. All no be Igbo name. Wetin we dey fool ourselves. From Benin, any of our forefathers they answer Benin name. Any of our papa answer Benin name. Any of we now who they answer Benin name. Any of our forefathers answer. You see anyone they call Benin, we get Benin name. Our fathers they who should answer Benin name. We now who should answer Benin name. Benin language we ain't come with our name. We are Benin follow. All our name like Ezebumoye so wicked. Yes, so weak. All now waiting. You didn't see the language. You didn't see the language. If you don't like the touch from Igbo, anywhere we from East. Because what we know now, Wazobia. If you don't like the touch from Calabar, anywhere what we know will be Wazobia. They begin put South East, Niger Delta, just to cause confusion, just to use our brain, and they work.
The man talking in that video is called General Asabuja, aka Dirty Water from River State. He is from Ikwerre, and Ikwerre people are Igbo people, indigenous in River State. He said that some Ikwerre people are saying that they are not Igbo people, but they bear Igbo names and they give their children Igbo names. Names like Chidimma, Wike, and so on. Yet they will be saying that they are not Igbo people. How can you be bearing Igbo name and be saying that you are not an Igbo person? If I tell you say I be Bini person, if I give birth to children, I not go give those my children Igbo name. Now Bini name I go give them. If I tell you say I be Igala person, now Igala names I go give my children. I not go give them Igbo names. If I say that I'm an Urobo person, I will be giving my children Urobo names and not Igbo names. So why are you claiming that you are from Bini? Yet if you born pikin, na Igbo name you go give them. Are you not ashamed of yourself? If Ikwerre people mean it that they are Bini people, they should introduce Bini language in Ikwerre schools. But Ikwerre people not go agree because Ikwerre people are people where be say deep down they know say they not be Bini people. No matter all those false history where some Ikwerre historians don't write for book finish, they share and they give Ikwerre children, they tell them say they be Bini people. People will not get shame. Una declare say una come from Bini, yet for Bini history there is no record of a place called Ikwerre. Una founder where una declare say na Bini person, Bini history not recognize anybody say na that person from Bini na found Ikwerre. You Ikwerre people, Obandekwe people, you people are forcing Bini identity on yourselves. All those Ikwerre people that said that they are not Igbo people, they will tell you that Igbo people are slaves. We don't have slave ancestry. They are not say Bini kingdom is made up of slaves from different origins. During those days where Bini kingdom they expand their territory, now slaves that they use to they expand territories. The Oba of Bini go carry slave, put for that place, tell and say they observe that place, form a community there. This is what they talk. So e dey for Bini history. The Oba of Bini use slaves to invade other people and enslave those people. The Oba of Bini captured people from Yoruba land. He captured people from Igbo land. He captured people from Urobo land. He captured people from Esan land. He captured people from Ijo land. All those people, they don't integrate for Bini society today. Waiting that they speak in our Bini language. But they are not of Bini origin. So, Bini kingdom is a kingdom that was built with the use of slaves. So, if you Ikwerre people that say, when I not get Igbo origin, say Igbo people are slaves, so Bini kingdom one they claim to na slave empire. You not be slave for here, but you be slave for here. Are you not a fool? Asabuja said that Ikwerre people claim that their ancestors are Bini people. Yet, none of their ancestors that founded them is bearing a Bini name. Ikwerre people claim that 3 of their ancestors came from Bini land. These are the 3 ancestors that Ikwerre people claim that they came from Bini. Number 1, Akalaka. Number 2, Ochichi. And number 3, Okpo Nwagidi. Okpo Nwagidi is originally from Arochukwu in Abia State. Arochukwu is where Okpo Nwagidi came from. But instead, Ikwerre people they thought today say, Okpo Nwagidi came from Benin, he's not an Igbo man. Akalaka is not from Benin Kingdom. Akalaka is from Abo in Ndokwa East local government area of Delta State and Nioma land. Some history has it that Akalaka migrated from Isu in Imo State to Abo, then from Abo back to River State where he gave birth to Oba, Ikwerre and part of Ikwerre. A brother to that Akalaka is called Ochichi. What is the meaning of Akalaka and Ochichi in Benin language? Since Ikwerre people said that those two men are from Benin Kingdom. Benin people don't have anything called Akalaka and Ochichi in their language. Nothing for Benin Kingdom where they call Akalaka and Ochichi. Benin Kingdom don't have CHI in their alphabet. Benin people don't bear names that have chi inside. What is the meaning of Ochichi in Benin language? They don't know. But in Igbo language, Ochichi means two things. Ochichi means leadership and darkness. Sinebo potebo Ochichi, which means come out from that place. That place is dark. Oye Ochichi, oye kayanachi, oye nachi ono. That is leadership. That is another meaning of Ochichi. Ikwerre people, Oba people and Ekwe people, they know it, but they hide down. What is the meaning of Akalaka? Akalaka means destiny. Ikwerre people, who changed the name of an ancestor from Erobosa to Akalaka? Who changed the name of an ancestor from Osakpolo to Akalaka? They said that Akalaka married a woman from Abo. He married a woman from Ndoni in River State. That is why Akalaka's descendants are speaking Igbo language. Akalaka descendants they speak Igbo language because I say marry Igbo women. What of Akalaka where we say he name na Igbo name? Na Igbo people change Akalaka name to Igbo name? No. Na Igbo people tell Benin Kingdom say make Akalaka not get meaning for Benin Kingdom? No. Okpo Nwagidi is from Arochukwu. Akalaka and his brother Ochichi are of Igbo origin from Ukwane region. But today, Ikwerre people talk say the three of them na Benin people. I said it that a day will come, Ikwerre people will be the one using their mouths to be telling their fellow Ikwerre people that they are Igbo people. And it is happening. He said that Nigeria is known as Wazobia and that it is made up of three major ethnic nationalities. Number one, Igbo. Number two, Hausa. Number three, Yoruba. Those three ethnic nationalities are called Wazobia. In that Wazobia, where does Ikwerre people belong? Ikwerre people belong to Igbo ethnic nationality because the language of Ikwerre people is Igbo language. Their names are Igbo names. The food they eat is Igbo. Their culture and tradition is Igbo. Their way of life is Igbo. They use the Igbo for market days. Everything about Ikwerre is Igbo. By that, we can conclude that Ikwerre people belong to Igbo ethnic nationality. Same way Okwane people belong to Igbo ethnic nationality. When you say Wazobia, that Bia in that Wazobia represents all Bia speaking people worldwide. And Bia speaking people are called Igbo people. If you ask Okwane people, what language are their ancestors speaking since their history? They will tell you Okwane. Okwane is Igbo language. Yet, those set of Okwane people will tell you that Okwane is not Igbo. Who are they deceiving? They are deceiving themselves. In Okwane land, if you ask Okwane people to tell you the names of their ancestors that they claimed came from Benin Kingdom, now Igbo names they will mention for you. You go to think say they go call for you Osakpolo. You go wait for Osakpolo time, they will never mention a name like Osakpolo. What you gonna hear now? Ozoka, Aboluaka, Ezemu, Ezede, Ifeloji, and so on. That is what you will be hearing. Yet they go tell you say those ancestors are Benin people. They don't know that there is difference between migration, ancestry, and origin. If you say that Idu land is your origin, fine. But if you say that your ancestors are Benin people, then you are telling us that your ancestry is Benin. My ancestry is Idu land, and my ancestors are Benin people are two different things. If you say that your ancestry is Idu land, then you are expected to tell us which ethnic nationality do you belong in Idu land in those days. If those Ukwane people say that the language they speak today, which is Ukwane, is the language that the ancestors speak in Idu land, then Ukwane people are Igbo people. But if you say that your ancestors are Bini people, then you are telling us that you are Bini. But in Idu kingdom, Ukwane people are not Bini people, but they are indigenous in Idu land. Oba of Bini met Ukwane people in Idu land when he came from Ile-Ife. Ukwane people are not Bini people. We Ukwane people are Igbo people. Ikwerre people are Igbo people. You go see Ikwerre historians, they go there online, they talk rubbish. If you ask them question, they go divert that question. They're not going to answer that question because they know that they are lying. It can't be like Ikwerre or Igbo people come together, take oath, talk say, make that they claim Bini origin. Biafra when they don't fight finish, up till today, una still dey fear. So they una deny una identity, una deny where una belong. Shameless people. People will not get shame. Deceiving themselves, lazy people. Now why you want people not fit get light for more than 20 years? Ule? How we know after this? Hey, government come to our rescue. That is why the indigenous Igbos in the south are lazy. Nothing they sabi do. You can never hear Ikwerre made, Oba made, Ekpeye made, Okwani made, Ika made, Oshimini made, and Ocha made. You can never hear such a thing because why are they go? All they know is depending on the federal government to give to them. Go southeast, they know they beg federal government for anything. You go to hear of Aba made, Oka made, Igbo made. Go Ikwerre land, all their youth know how to do is selling of land. Cultism. When you deny what you are, you go dey lose many things. As you dey deny wetin you be, you are now embracing an alien identity. Ukwane people talk say they not be Igbo people. What are they? Urobo they call you Igbo. Isoko they call you Igbo. Nigerians they call you Igbo. You dey talk say not be Igbo person. Say you just be Ukwane person. During Biafra war, those your non-Igbo neighbors, they were killing you, slaughtering you. That one no one teach you sense. No say you belong to Igbo ethnic nationality. The difference between the Igbos in the southeast and the Igbos in the south is that the Igbos in the southeast are hardworking, but the Igbos in the south are lazy. After the Biafra war, the Igbos in the southeast, they started traveling, they started venturing into business. That is why they are so rich. Igbo is the richest ethnic nationality in Africa. Igbo is the richest black race. And when they talk of all those, Igbo is the richest, and Yoma not follow. Ikwerre not follow, Oba and Ekpe not follow. How many of our youths in Anyoma land are importers and exporters? Go on in Chame market, make you see how boys they do well for business. Come Anyoma land, not only Yahoo our boys they do Yahoo. Go Ikwerre, Yahoo. Do business, they not go fit do because they deny their Igbo identity. Because if they claim say they be Igbo people, that's business where our Igbo brothers for Southeast know. Our Anyama people go know am. Ikwerre people go know am. All they know is we are not Igbo people. We are not Igbo people. And if they don't say they not be Igbo people, you go dey say they better pass Southeast. Come Anyama land, nothing. Come Ukwane land, say as it be like refugee camp, suffering everywhere. All we know how to do in Ukwane land is to be guarding pipeline. No Ukwane big man go talk say he get this pipeline to him name. No. All our pipeline for Ikwerre land, Ukwane land, na Hausa, Fulani, and Yoruba people. Now you get all those crude oil wells. You dey talk say you not be Igbo person, make you fit benefit from your crude oil well. Yet you are not benefiting anything. If you dey talk say this set of people not get sense, they go talk say we dey insult them. But they don't have sense. You dey deny your Igbo identity to benefit, yet you are not benefiting anything. General Asabuja said that the federal government of Nigeria is afraid of the unity of Igbo. That was why they created South-South, Southeast, and Niger Delta, just to divide Igbo. Yakubu Gowon said that if Igbo tries to go to leave Nigeria and become a separate country, that they will create core states. That was during the Biafra war. And after that, they created that core state. That core state is Anambra, Imo, Abia, Enugu, and Ebonyi. They now cut some Igbos out from that 5 southeast states. Now so they carry some put for Kogi, put for Benue, put for Delta, put for Edo, Rivers, and so on. That was the reason why Igbo are located in 13 Nigeria states. That is the creation of core states. And that thing can affect so many Igbo people where they deny say they don't be Igbo people today. And that disunity they affect we and Nema people. You see, they affect our brothers for southeast. And that is because we Igbo people are not speaking with one voice. This one going to talk good this side, this one going to talk good this side, because we lack that unity. The power of Igbo nation is unity. And that is why we are doing everything possible to make sure that we Igbo people are united. You can't be speaking Igbo language and you'll be saying that you are not an Igbo person. Your name is Chidinma, your name is Emeka, your name is Chukuyem. You dey talk say you not be Igbo person. Who are you deceiving? General Asabuja, they always make videos. They tell Ikwerre people say they Ikwerre people are Igbo people. This is not the first video that he have made concerning this Igbo identity of a thing. He don't make so many videos before this one, but I decided to talk about this one so that people will know that not all Ikwerre people are saying that they are not Igbo people. There are so many Ikwerre people out there that are part of their Igbo identity. Ikwerre people are Igbo people. Okwane people are Igbo people. Ika people are Igbo people. Oshimi and Aja people are Igbo people. Igbo are indigenous in 13 Nigeria states. And with the Igbo unification movement, we will do everything possible and make sure that Igbo unite and identify as one people. Igbo Bofu, Ishiagwale.